Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you what it means when the lower leaves of your pole beans are turning yellow. Here's a clip from the show. And then one other thing about the beans, I noticed that we're starting to get a little bit of yellowing leaves at the bottom, and that's perfectly normal. As the bean plant is growing bigger, it's shading these lower leaves, and these will just slough off, which is fine. What I'm most concerned about is my growing tips. What do my growing tips look like? Are they healthy? Are they growing well? Is there any spider mite in here? Which I have not seen any spider mite. My growing tips are looking good. So I'm not going to worry about the yellowing leaves at the bottom. If they bug you, you can just clean them off. But for now, we're just going to leave them. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 25. And if you want to watch the whole show, it's free. It's online. And you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.